Want to add a new device to your MetaTrader 4 account? Here's how to sync it. First, open MetaTrader 4 on your new device and log in with your trading credentials. Once logged in, you will have access to your account and your open positions. MetaTrader 4 allows you to trade on multiple devices simultaneously, so you can monitor your trades from anywhere. Always keep your login credentials secure and avoid using public devices to log into your trading account for safety. How many devices do you use for trading? Let me know in the comments. If this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.